left at the fork. Keep right at the fork. In a quarter mile, keep right. Follow signs for Howard Avenue. Keep right. Merge onto Howard Avenue, then turn right onto South Jefferson Davis Parkway. Take the next right onto South Jefferson Davis Parkway, then turn left onto Drexel Drive.